Hello and welcome to another video on this channel. Today we will be exploring another addition to our Express.js app, which will be a rate limiting middleware. Let's hop into the console and see what we can do today. Alright, so we are in our Node.js Express.js project, which we are creating from few videos already. So if you didn't see a basic Express.js video, I will link it down below. And also lately we were grasping the concepts of middleware. So just for a very brief introduction, but the videos will be linked down below in the description of this video. We have our basic Express.js project instantiated. It's listening on port 8000. We have a Express.json middleware from Express, which is converting all the payloads to JSON. And we have two middlewares, just basic app use with a console log. This is a middleware and this is a middleware too. We have also our basic route and at the slash level a get method and it returning a user which we created here. So today we would like to talk about rate limiting. So if you are creating any for sure public facing API, you would like to think about some kind of a rate limiting so that your server wouldn't be like overflown with requests and make some kind of a error mechanism to make user a good experience. So we will today combine some of the things that we discussed before, and we will create a rate limiting middleware which we'll be using from a third-party application. So let's hop into the Google and let's find something called node rate limiting. Node rate limiter. We have a express rate limit. It's a npm JS package. It has quite a few downloads, around 1 million a weekly. And let's install it to our project and see how it works. So we will get back to the project. We will install it. And then we will instantiate it. So we need to firstly add it to our application. So let's add it here. Let's say our rate limiter require express rate limit. And then it's just a matter of using it and instantiating it. So let's instantiate ourselves a limiter, just like we are creating here this app.js. So let's do const limiter, and we will do it as a the GitHub Copilot already shows us some basic syntax. So as you can see, const limit equals instantiation of rate limit function, and we are passing a configuration object. We will use this window millisecond and we will use this window limit, but we will also use a message. So let's also pass a message here. You have exceeded the limit. Let's do it like this, and let's instantiate. Let's use also this. So let's do app use limiter. So we will put it into our pipeline. Let's start our Express.js app. We are listening. I will open another terminal window here, and let's do a curl to localhost 8000. We are getting back, so we are hitting this app.get route, and we are getting this user object from this middleware back. But let's see how it will work if we will try to flood it. But to do that, we will also make some changes here. So right now it is being set to 15 times 60 times 1000, milliseconds, so we are doing 15 minutes, 16 seconds, and 1000 milliseconds, so it defaults to 15 minutes. Let's change it to 1 minute, and let's change the max number of requests, let's say to 10. And let's right now try to overflow our rate limiter. I will clear the screen. We will restart the application to account for these new changes, and let's try to do more than 10 requests in a minute. And as you can see right now, you have exceeded the limit. Now, if we would wait for a minute, this window and this max would be like resetted, so we could be able to make another requests. So let's just try it now. We still cannot do it. I will speed up this video for like 30 seconds, and we will see if we'll be able to do it one more time. And let's, just for the sake of argument, to look it nice, let's do a new line break here. Let's clear the screen. Let's try to do it one more time. And as you can see, we are getting it bad. Let's try to overflow it one more time. And as you can see, it works. So this is the simple approach to firstly rate limiting in Express.js app, but also to show you how you can go to npm.js or to Google, find the function which you would like to implement, and how easy it is to attach it using a middleware idea in Express.js. So that's all for today. See you next time in another video.